water's got in there, and yeah, it's all rotted out. I gotta fix that. I gotta fix that now. Bill Goudy checking in. I'm running out of daylight. Yeah, normal, isn't it? Yeah, that's normal. Listen, got a lot of projects done. Some additions to the truck camper, and yeah, and some more additions to come, I'm sure. But this is what I did so far. Check it out. So this is new. I took off the old trim. It was just aluminum, and this is angle iron. Yeah, this is all angle iron, and yeah, I got it siliconed in. I ripped all the wood up underneath there. It all rotted out. And you know, I took these steps off that old motorhome and adapted them over to this, because this only had a single step, and now it's got two. It's got two steps, and they slide in and store just like that. And then when I get to wherever I'm going to be, I can lift up on that. Slides out, and I can use it as a single step, or I can go down and get to a double. And I like that. And I don't know, can you see? I know I'm running out of light, but can you see? Yeah, it's under my stinger, or my trailer hitch extension. Can you see that extension? Yeah, it goes right out and goes right underneath that step. So that's awesome. It works good. That's not the only addition I made, and I'm going to work on this, but this is temporary for now to get me by. This is a cargo carrier, and it's inserted into my front hitch. I don't even see that from the cab, so I put those markers, fiberglass markers, on each angle. That holds 5 gallons. That right there will power everything. That's 5,500 watts. Yeah, that'll do more than I need. And it runs a freezer, so if I don't have any solar, I don't have anything, I can run that generator right there. And yeah, it works out good. So far so good. I think I'm going to make a, or I'm going to look for a more compact, and I don't need this extension here. I can make that back. See, I got a, this was designed for the back, and I got a place for my hitch, you know, and my plan is to be able to pull the boat to wherever I'm going, and then use a front hitch to put the boat in, and I don't have to try to back it in using that backup camera and the mirrors. It'd be so much easier that way. I used to do that with the old motorhome. I have a front hitch on that old motorhome, and I'd pull the boat over to wherever it was I was going to camp, and then I would unhook the boat and hook onto the front hitch and just drive the boat in. It worked out so good. Well, I plan on doing the same thing with this. So I'm going to get a different carrier. It doesn't have to be this big. So I'm either going to make one, and I got some materials to make one, or I'm going to buy one. I haven't decided. I'm going to check Harbor Freight to see what they got. I think they have a little aluminum one that might just work out for me. And then I want to put a cover on this, a canvas cover for inclement weather. I went ahead and put on the covers. I got the weatherproof covers on here that I can use in case the weather gets bad, and that keeps the rain from getting into that. But I'd like to cover the whole, I'd like to cover that whole thing. Yeah, I think right now I could just use a garbage bag. I don't know how well it'll hold up, but I want a canvas cover. I may make one, or if I can buy a grill cover or an air conditioner cover that I think is going to be sturdy enough, I may do that. We shall see. You know, this is long overdue. I got a viewer, I think he's 4 years old, 5 years old. Josh's son, his name's Hayden. You know, you have no idea. You have no idea how they made my day. But Josh's son, he's holding up a piece of candy. I'll put a link. No, I'll put his video in here. Check this out, will you?
I'm gonna see it. Look at this goodness.
Yeah. Isn't that amazing? That is absolutely awesome. Thank you, Hayden. I appreciate you thinking about me. That is awesome. Listen, I'm running out of daylight. I got so much to do. So far, this is where I'm at with the generator and with the back steps. I got to make some trips here. Yeah, I'm going to put it to the test. You're going to have to try it out and make sure, do some adjustments. I think I'm going to have to adjust those front rods down. They don't need to be that tall. There's a lot of things I'm going to do, but you know, I'm getting by right now. Listen, I'm going to go. I'll talk at you later. Go Goudy out. Lucy Lou, are you out? What you thinking, sweetheart? Are you out? Huh?